Welcome to this algebra tutorial. Today, we are going to master factoring trinomials in the form x squared plus bx plus. See, this is a fundamental skill in algebra that you will use constantly. So let's break it down and make it easy. First, let's understand what we are looking at. A trinomial is simply an algebraic expression with three terms. In our case, we have the squared term, which is x squared, the linear term in the middle with a coefficient we call b, and the constant term at the end, which is just a number we call c. So, what does it mean to factor this? Think of factoring as reverse multiplication. We are starting with the answer, the trinomial, and trying to find the two binomials that multiplied together to create it. We want to go from the expanded form back to the factored form. Here is the golden rule you need to remember. To factor these trinomials, you are looking for two specific numbers. These two numbers must satisfy two conditions at the same time. They must multiply to give you the last number, c, and they must add up to give you the middle number, b. Let's try this with an example where all signs are positive. We have x squared plus 5x plus 6. Here our target product is 6 and our target sum is 5. The factors of 6 are 1 and 6, or 2 and 3. 1 plus 6 is 7, which is wrong. But 2 plus 3 is 5, which is correct. So our answer is x plus 2 times x plus 3. Now let's look at a case with a negative middle term, x squared minus 7x plus 12. Our product number is positive 12, but our sum number is negative 7. Since they multiply to a positive but add to a negative, both numbers must be negative. Negative 3 times negative 4 gives us 12, and negative 3 plus negative 4 gives us negative 7. That works. What if the last number is negative? Here we have x squared plus 2x minus 15. Since the product is negative 15, the signs must be different, one positive and one negative. We need factors of 15 that have a difference of 2. Positive 5 and negative 3 multiply to negative 15, and 5 minus 3 is 2. So our factors are x minus 3 and x plus 5. A great way to visualize this is using the x method. You draw a large X, put your product number, c, at the top, and your sum number, b, at the bottom. Then, you just need to fill in the sides with the two numbers that complete the puzzle. It helps keep your work organized. Always check your work. You can do this by using the FOIL method, first, outer, inner, last, to multiply your answer back together. If you get the original problem, you know you are 100% correct. To summarize, identify your b and c values. List the factors of c, paying close attention to the signs. Find the pair that adds up to be right your binomials, and finally, check your answer. With a little practice, you will be doing this in your head in no time.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.